let's talk about this cranberry orange seltzer candle. As y'all do see, I have two. I originally only bought one, which is this one. And if y'all don't remember, I originally said that I might not like this candle. But it turns out I absolutely love this candle. It is so good to me. If y'all can't remember, the scent notes is orange, cranberry, seltzer water. That's the scent notes. As y'all do see, I'm about almost done with this one. And I went and I bought another one. And I think I want to grab a third one, and then I think I will be okay. But this candle is so nice. You really get that orange scent. I don't get a whole lot of cranberry from this, but I most definitely get that orange scent and that fizzy note. It is so good. And the throw is more like a medium to high. It's most definitely giving me like an orange soda or like Alka-Seltzer, but not like medicine. You know, to me, it's nice. You get like a sweet orange, and I think that's that sugared cranberry coming through, but it's most definitely a orange candle. It's not heavy on the cranberry. It's more heavy on the orange side with a fizzy note. So like I said again, this is really nice. If you love those orange scented candles, or if you like the scent of soda, some might call it pop. In the Midwest, we call it soda, or in my area, we call it soda. It's giving me orange soda vibes. So if you love those type of scents, you will love this candle because the fizzy note is there, the orange note is there, that sugar note is there, the cranberry note not so much, but all of the other notes, yes. So I give this 2 thumbs up. This is really nice. Again, a medium throw, medium for sure, high on the lower side of the high side. It's not a powerhouse. Is this something that you must have if you love orange scents? Yeah, I think this would do really good in the summer months. It's not really giving me like Christmas or fall. To me, this candle is more like, you know, warm weather, summer, outside, you know, sipping soda. That's what this gives me. It's not really giving me like holiday. Maybe a holiday cocktail, maybe, you know, but not Christmas at all. So I think this candle is very much a whenever candle, whenever you want to burn it candle. It's kind of like a neutral candle. It doesn't go so far on like spices because it has no spice. And it's not all the way like very fruity, whereas summer and spring is more or less in the middle because that orange note is the top note for me. So I could see myself burning this all year round, even though I know people love to burn candles like spice candles around the holiday. I'm not really a true fan of spice candles. I like spice candles, but it's not high on my list. So I'm more of a fruity type of girl. I love fruity scents, sweet scents. So that's the reason why I feel like this candle is a whenever candle, whenever you want to burn it. But you could burn your candles whenever you like. I'm just saying, you know, some people have dedicated candles to certain seasons. Me, I'm more of a vibe person. I go according to my vibe, according to my feelings, according to what I want to burn that day. So for me, this will go in my whenever you wanna burn it. So yeah, I do recommend this candle only if you like sweet, bubbly orange. I'm just saying. So yeah, that's my take on this candle. As y'all do see, the packaging, this is what the burn look like. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's a really good clean burn, as you do see on the inside. I did cut the wicks. I haven't had any issues with this candle. I actually been kind of craving this candle, which is crazy because I really never hardly go for orange scented candles, but for some reason I love this cranberry orange seltzer candle. For me, like I am getting a backup because y'all do know my backup is 3. I normally buy my candles in 2s, but with lately, since I have so many candles, I've been just testing them out, and if I like them, then I'll go for another one. If there's a really good sale and I really like the candle, then I will buy a 3rd one. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. I really like the candle, so I am gonna buy a 3rd one. Leave down in the comments, let me know, what is your take on this candle? Do you like it? Again, I do think that this is a medium to high throw. I don't have any issues. It do burn a little hot, and it does burn fast. So yeah, leave in the comments, have you tried this cranberry orange seltzer candle? What do you think about it? Is it hoard worthy for you? Is it backup worthy for you? Or are you one and done with this candle? Leave all those down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, as well as use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always holding your girl down. I truly appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.